All right, let's start today's lesson. Flip over to page 234 on your packet. We will start on number 8. Are you ready? Let's begin. Rebecca is planning a trip to go whale watching. She found data on how many whales were spotted during the beginning, middle, and end of the month. Below is a data set of the dates that a whale was spotted. How many boxes would you fill in for the first column of this graph? Circle your answer. Let's go over to number 9. Antonio works at a car wash after school. He makes tips for vacuuming out the cars. He also makes tips when he cleans the tires. He wants to know which job, vacuuming or cleaning tires, he most frequently makes a higher tip. He keeps data on his tips for 2 weeks. Data set number 1, vacuuming cars. $3, $3, $4, $1, $3, and $4. Data set number 2, cleaning tires. $1, $2, $2, $2, $6, and $4. At which job did Antonio make better tips most of the time? Circle your answer. Let's continue. Number 10. Based on the data from question number 9, on average, for which job would Antonio make better tips? Circle your answer. On the boxes below, write down the numbers or the dollars he made each day. Then you add them up and find your answer. Then write your answer below. Then for tires on the bottom, do the same thing and write your answer in the box below. Once you find out both numbers, you can have your answer and you circle it. Upon completion, please upload your assignment to Teams. Thank you.